Hi, Jacob here from ABC Window Supply. In this video, we are taking a look at the Tractel StopFor K212 backup device. So, let's dive in. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that the information in this video is accurate as of the date of filming. However, for the most up-to-date information, always refer to the manufacturer's instructions. It's also important to note that this video is for informational purposes only, and it is not a substitute for proper training. Now, let's take a look at a few of the features of the device. First thing to note is that it is a self-trailing device. That means it will go up and down the rope with you, and of course, in case of a fall, it would engage and lock onto the rope. However, you should know that it does lock fairly easily, so even though it's self-trailing, you'll still find yourself having to reset it fairly often. The way that the device comes on and off of the rope is by removing the included carabiner and lanyard and sliding the faceplate to the side. When you have it open, you can see that the way it locks is that when there's pressure on the device and it pulls down, it actually twists the device and clamps down on the rope that way. Now, for rope compatibility, Tractel says that you should use the device only with 13mm Tractel lifeline. As for lanyards, the device comes with the carabiner, webbing lanyard, and snap hook. Now, this Tractel backup device is ANSI rated. So that was a little bit about the Tractel StopFor K212 backup device. For more information or to purchase, check out our website. And as always, thanks for watching.